Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. I just showered. I just got back from Pilates, so we're just gonna get started with my day. Ta-da! This is what I'm going to be wearing around the house, just if you guys are wondering. Just gonna do a little bit of moisturizing. This is literally my favorite lotion right now. This is the Cycler Crescent lotion, and it smells like, I don't even know how to explain this, but it just smells super comforting. I prop my leg up right here. It smells so good. It smells amazing. I feel so fresh, so dainty afterward, especially with this one. I do want to get their vanilla scent as well, because I feel like that is gonna be like a little sweeter than this. This kind of reminds me of like, it's a very unisex scent and I like it a lot. Just gonna put some on my neck. And then for a bit of hair care, it's the And Honey Deep Moisture Hair Oil. I only use like that much. I switch between this and the Moroccan hair oil, but I always scrunch it up, run it through my ends. This is how I get my hair super shiny. I'm gonna go blow dry my hair and I'm back. Okay, blow dry my hair. Just gonna get ready for the day, do a little skincare, very light makeup today. I always feel like after a workout, I don't wanna go heavy on my skin and just let it breathe just a little bit. I still love my skincare and my makeup. So we're just gonna go in using this Road Glazing Milk. In the center of my face. Barrier Restore Cream. This is my favorite moisturizer ever. I think it's just perfect and basic enough for me to get by every single day, and it feels so cooling on the skin. And sunscreen. This is the Skin 1004 sunscreen. I use this every single day. For some light makeup, this is the Lancome concealer. This is my favorite. I use this every single day. I just kind of put it in areas where I feel like I have a little bit of discoloration. This is the Road Blush in Piggy. Taking my Hourglass brush and just adding some color back into my cheeks. I love adding a little bit of blush on my chin. I feel like it makes my face just look a little shorter. This is the One Size powder. I go in lightly because I don't want to take away too much of the glow, so I kind of just put it under my eyes where I feel like I just need to take away the shine, and then around my mouth. I always get super greasy around my mouth. A little lip combo. Okay, Glossier sent over the Cherry PR box. Don't even get me started. It is the cutest box. Let me actually get it for you, just so you guys can see. This is what it looks like. Hello, there was an eyeliner and a lip liner, but I took them out to use it. Isn't this so cute? I'm literally obsessed. Sometimes I think about it and I'm like, how did I get here? Thank you, Glossier, for sending me this. I'm keeping it forever. It will be on my dresser as a piece of decor. Back into lips, Glossier lip line in Flush. And I feel like it's this terracotta brown red. Perfect to line the lips. This is one of the prettiest colors. Okay, it kind of gives pouty, if you guys know what I mean. I'm gonna use this Rhode lip tint in Ribbon. I feel like it'll tie the blush together. Okay, I'm ready for the day. I don't really know what I have planned today, but I'm just gonna take you guys along and it'll be like a little montage. While I'm waiting for my boyfriend to pick me up, I'm actually just gonna edit a couple things. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this Gap black set and I'll show you guys. I put glasses on to kind of accessorize, but let me show you. Excuse the mess. This is my outfit. And I think I'm gonna wear ballet shoes or something. Sorry, my dogs are out.